Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will discussing the different type of languages that are used by ethical hackers. So every day a lot of websites are hacked by hackers and honor pay for it. Every company hire hacker for the security purpose, right, because of saving their data. So now hacking is a popular field in the IT and computer sciences. So as a career, hacking is also in demand. There are a lot of programming languages that are used by ethical hackers. So to discuss the various step, hacking is not just click the button and hack the Google, right? So to become an amazing hacker, you should learn the programming language. The fundamental to learn ethical hacking is to learn a various languages and expert in coding skill. You should grasp on a different languages as well. While there are some language we listed, this video is for educational purpose to make a career in IT and learn different languages for coding. So the first one I recommend is the HTML. HTML is the easiest and widely used to design the website on the internet. Every website use this language, right? So I know this is not a programming language, but if you want to become a hacker, then you need to learn HTML for understanding the various tags, structure, web action, and many more. So you can easily understand the structured and the expecting elements in the browser. Many websites disable this function by script, as sometimes it's easy to break the barrier. We know password and email are also encrypted, but HTML is sometimes useful for ethical hacking. So the next language we want to discuss is the JavaScript. JavaScript is widely used programming language for web designing and development. If you want to become a cool hacker, then take a JavaScript seriously. JavaScript help hacker to understand the client-side mechanism in the action. The main advantage to use JavaScript is a hacker can explore both the backend and front end of the web application. So if you want to become an ethical hacking, then learn JavaScript as well. So this is all about JavaScript. The another language you should learn for ethical hacking is Python. Yes, Python. Python is also the most popular and widely used programming languages used by ethical hacking. Python is very easy to learn. Using a few code, you can able to make a good programmer. So Python has some feature, and this feature useful for hacking. Mainly Python has a tons of library, more than 200 library and active library working of a lot of people like pandas and numpy for data science, escape request for ethical hackers. So tons of library, and you can easily use them. Most hackers choose Python as a primary language because Python is you know that it's easy language, and we have to cover, we have many tutorial, we will upload it. Just wait for a moment to upload the videos. So another language that I recommend, there are various books for Python you can check out, like Think Python, Automate the Boring Stuff. There are many books for Python you can check out for beginners, but we will upload a Python tutorial. So wait for the tutorial, you will learn a lot about Pythons. So the another language that I recommend is PHP. Why we forget the PHP? Because it is essential for ethical hacking. It is also the server-side programming language, so a user cannot code, even a code execute in the server. All server-side operation like handling database on one particular operation done by PHP. Well, a hacker, if you want to gain access to the server side, then you must learn PHP, because 80% of website on the internet use PHP languages. There are some uses as Django Frame and Flask, but the 80% are still using the PHP language. You can done this goal using PHP. So learning PHP is a must for ethical hackers and penetration testers. So the another language we will want to discuss and tell you about is the SQL. Yes. So, structure query language is the most popular database programming. It is useful for storing, retrieving, updating, and deleting the useful data tables and every password, username, and important data stored in database. SQL motivate ethical hackers to steal the data. Some observation are only done by the SQL. So you maybe hear about SQL injection, stealing the executing the SQL codes on SQL vulnerable SQL injectional vulnerable website is. So injection very popular to gain access to the data and database. Malicious code is placed in SQL database view web internet. So every beginner must learn this programming language with the server-side language like PHP and Python like Django framework, so you can easily understand how the operation work with the database. So as you can see that the different type of tables, databases, and histories. So the another language that we will they want to discuss is the C and C++. There are a lot of solid reason to use C and C++ programming language for hacking. Many colleges teach these language first. These languages are mostly used in platforms, so as a hacker it helps to get access to various platforms. This language is a powerful concept like Goto statement and point concept, and very old languages. These concepts also help to crack the system or program. So the next language in our list is Ruby. So Ruby programming vastly used by hackers for hacking. This particular programming language is essential by Lisp, Perl, Ada, Elfel. Hacker use Perl to make a powerful script to crack the mechanism. There are a lot of several similarity between Python and Ruby. One of them is easy to understand and use, easy syntax and easy style, more useful for hackers. So this is all about a website, sorry, languages to learn the ethical hacking. Learn and make your own script. So we will start first from our video. We'll start about Python, then we will go for web development, data sciences, PHP. We will cover these programming language one by one. So subscribe to our channel. Okay, these the most programming language used by ethical hacking. I hope you learn a lot and secure your website and your mobile application by these videos by and learning these websites. So if you like our video, then click a thumbs and like our video, comment and share. So this is all about programming language in it used by ethical hacking. So take care and goodbye.